Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to enable audio auto-download on WhatsApp using your Android device. If you want to make sure that audio files are automatically downloaded, this updated method will help you set it up in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Start by launching the app and ensure you're logged into your account to access your chats. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right. In the main chat screen, look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 3. Tap on Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize various features of your WhatsApp experience. Step 4. Tap Storage and Data. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Storage and Data. This section is crucial for managing how WhatsApp handles your media files. Step 5. Under the Media Auto-Download section, tap When Using Mobile Data. In this area, you'll see options for Media Auto-Download. Choose When Using Mobile Data to set what gets downloaded automatically when you're using your mobile network. Step 6. Mark Audio. In this section, you'll see checkboxes for different media types. To enable audio auto-download, simply check the box for audio. This means audio files will now be automatically downloaded when you're on mobile data. Step 7. Go back to When Connected on Wi-Fi, and then mark Audio. Next, navigate back to the Media Auto-Download section and select When Connected on Wi-Fi. Again, check the box for Audio. This ensures that audio files will also download automatically when you're connected to Wi-Fi. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled audio auto-download on WhatsApp. Now you can enjoy your audio files without having to download them manually each time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.